Respected chief guest, honorable judges, worthy teachers, and my dear friends. Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to you all. Today, I stand before you with immense pride to speak about the greatest blessing Allah has bestowed upon us, the blessing of freedom. Allah Almighty says in the Holy Quran, and hold firmly to the rope of Allah altogether, and do not become divided. This verse reminds us that unity is the foundation of every successful nation. Ladies and gentlemen, the 14th of August is not just another date on the calendar. It is a day of sacrifice, determination, and hope. It is the day when the dream of millions of Muslims became a reality, and Pakistan emerged as an independent homeland. Our freedom was not gifted to us. It was earned through the prayers of our elders, the vision of Allama Muhammad Iqbal, the leadership of Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, and the sacrifices of countless martyrs. As Quaid-e-Azam wisely said, with faith, discipline, and selfless devotion to duty, there is nothing worthwhile that you cannot achieve. These words are not merely a slogan, they are a roadmap for building a strong Pakistan. Dear audience, being independent does not simply mean living in a free country. It means being responsible citizens. It means respecting our laws, protecting our environment, valuing education, and serving our nation with honesty. The Holy Quran teaches us, indeed, Allah will not change the condition of a people until they change what is within themselves. This verse tells us that the future of Pakistan depends on us. If we want a prosperous Pakistan, we must first improve ourselves. My dear friends, as students, we are the future of this nation. The books we read today, the values we learn today, and the character we build today will shape the Pakistan of tomorrow. Let us replace hatred with love, corruption with honesty, and despair with hope. Let us dream big, work hard, and never forget that every small good deed contributes to the greatness of our country. Allow me to share the inspiring words of Allama Iqbal. Raise yourself to such heights that before every destiny, God Himself asks you, what is your wish? This teaches us that success belongs to those who believe in themselves and work with dedication. Dear friends, today let us make a promise to study with sincerity, to respect our parents and teachers, to protect the dignity of Pakistan, to remain united despite our differences, to serve our beloved homeland with honesty, courage, and compassion, because Pakistan is not just our homeland, it is our identity, our pride, and our future. I conclude with a heartfelt prayer. May Allah bless Pakistan with peace, prosperity, unity, and progress. May He guide us to become responsible citizens who make our nation stronger every single day. Long live Pakistan! Pakistan Zindabad! Thank you very much.